You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Greek. From the Greek word for wind and mind. The meaning is the nostalgia for a time that you've never known, so where you weren't alive. So it's not nostalgia, because that would be from, you have nostalgia from the past, but from a time, a period that you've lived. Anemoia is how to pronounce it, is the nostalgia for a time you've never known. So for the past, ancient time in history, for example. Anemoia, anemoia. Anemoia is how you say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.